one present to you for coming Thursday because they deliver late. Come on, Josh.
Hey.
You don't know.
I don't know. Oh my.
Yeah, that's the part of the friend.
This is the hardest thing about one.
Okay.
This is we're talking about.
What is this?
Yes! V.
Uh-oh, VR.
Oh, no, it's cool.
No, I didn't mean that in a bad way.
Whoa. Hey,
I'm throwing it at them. They're
No.
keeping talking.
what you say?
Oh, Daddy, thank you.
No, it's not this way. All right, you got one.
Yeah.
Yeah, I want to try that. You have another present inside. Alessa will get it for you.
Oh, okay.
Alessa gave it to you.
Wait, is that earbuds? Whatever it's called?
No, that's your charger for your phone so you play with VR.
Oh, wait, you said you're charging for my phone to play VR.
Yeah, because you go play your
Oh! Thank you.
phone. That's a cool VR.
What is this for?
That's for the kid.
Yeah, don't lose that stuff.
Oh, thank you.
Okay.
I thought it was supposed to come something different.
All right, let's open the
right.
other presents before we start messing with it.
What is this?
That's kind of stuff you need to read about.
Okay.
All right, Brenda.
Oh,
Tomorrow
All right, Josh, this one's for me.
thank
you
you.
go get a present for your friends tomorrow. Yeah, just
Huh? Put it on the ground.
Yay, it's raining. Yay! Hey, you more try.
What is that?
Oh, a smart robot.
Oh, cool.
This is what I'm smart. This is me. This is me. I'm a robot. I'm smart. This is me, but I was made. Thanks. Thank you.
You're welcome, Josh.
I was made a robot, but I turned into a human.
next.
Thanks. A what?
You like it? Yeah. They were both talking. But I want to see.
What is it?
That's wrong game.
It's raining. Wait, I still want to see this.
Whoa, that's cool.
Hey, yo. Hey, yo. I noticed.
Yeah. You like it?
Yeah, but it's upside down.
Oh, it's like a marble thing.
Oh, so you put a marble and go all the way.
Yeah.
Good. What you say to
Cool.
Gammy?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yay. Now, go to
Yay.
the back.
I'm just playing. You have more presents?
No, tomorrow you'll have
Tomorrow
more
you get more presents
No,
every time.
Andy Mason didn't give me
Oh,
presents.
they don't work, Josh. Hey,
he
they
works.
got, you know they got it for you? How's the remote? The control? For the Xbox.
Wait, they got me a controller?
No, you can
Yeah,
see
that
that.
controller.
You just boy with it.
I know. Why did you just tell?
No, that's from Dad and them, everybody. Dad's
Yeah, but you just boy with it.
Oh,
Let me spoil.
why'd you tell him?
Yeah, I can tell because today is the day he
Yeah,
doesn't know. What's the matter? You don't know anyway.
If I'm gonna know in the party, I won't be too excited.
No, not the party. It's still coming in the mail.
All right, you enjoy your
Anyway, that's from
birthday
Andy
day?
Mason, his Xbox controller, okay?
Okay.
No.
Enjoy your day. Huh?
What?
Did you enjoy your day?
Yeah.
What you say?
Wait, which color one does? Right here. This is me. This is supposed to be me. I was made from a robot, but I turned into a human.
He's ready to talk.
I was made a robot.
Well, Alessa's gonna